Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Kipnis. I'm really excited to get to work with everyone again this semester. I started working in the field in probably around 2017. I started working in residential substance use treatment while I was finishing my undergraduate counseling psychology degree as a behavioral health technician. When I graduated with my bachelor's, I started working as an assessment counselor at the same residential substance use treatment center. And I've kind of worked my way up the ranks there. I was an assessor conducting clinical assessments on incoming clients, determining appropriate levels of care for a couple of years. Within the last year, I have been promoted to quality management. So I audit clinical charts and make sure that all the counselors and case managers documentation is kind of consistent with licensure and funding source standards across PA. So I haven't been doing direct care for probably about a year, even though I still do level of care assessments on the side for my organization. In terms of identifying my goals for developing into a clinical social worker, I love theory. I've always loved theory, understanding how people act and behave and come to be the ways that they are. I've always kind of been fearful of engaging in direct clinical counseling types of social work. I think that's mostly due to my own anxieties of being incompetent and not knowing how to navigate certain situations within counseling sessions. My professional goals of being a social worker are more macro level and advocacy and legislative initiatives rather than direct care with individuals and families. But I know that in order to be an effective macro level social worker, I have to also master the skills of being a great micro level social worker. So I'm definitely, anxious about doing direct care, especially in preparation for my second field placement. I'm also excited to kind of overcome some of those hurdles and face some of my fears of doing, direct individual care. So I look forward to meeting with everyone, and I hope everyone has a great semester.